Alright guys, you see we're back at the car, about to take this door apart, letting that stuff dry. Man, that stuff's amazing, man. I'm not gonna lie, stuff worked out pretty darn good. But as you can see, it lifted up right here. It's because the staples popped out. So we need to take this whole door apart, refix this, re-staple this back down. Especially if we're gonna, especially for the car show, we can't have tacky stuff like that. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna adjust the fabric right here. It kind of came up, you can kind of see a little bit, and then move that up just a little bit. But we gotta take the door apart anyway, so we can fix all that in the process. So again, I'm not gonna show you guys how to take this door apart. I've got several videos on how to do it, but just a bit. So you got a screw right there, pop that off. You gotta pop this off, right, this piece off right here. You got a screw right here, and down here you got a screw right here. And basically just pull the door panel off, and that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this door panel off so I can get it inside, and go ahead and take it apart, and let's fix that. Let's fix this little piece right here. That way we can be show ready. My fault for those of you guys that are just watching this. Don't forget you gotta pop this piece off too. And there's actually 2 screws on the bottom down here, plus the screw right here that you gotta pop out, and the screw right here to pop out to side places. And then you basically just tug it, pull it, and there you go. Again, I forgot about that piece right there. And then one more thing, remember, pop this out. Don't take the plugs or clips out of here or make it harder to take it apart. It's basically, you can see it right there. Right there, then it pops in. Pop it out inward, slide it out. There you go. That's that. Door panel's out, so now we can work on this door panel now. We'll take it inside. We'll fix what we need to fix on it. What to say? Hell no. Fix what we need to fix on it, and then we'll move on. Looks like I got my keys and everything. I'll leave all that in the car because I don't need any of that stuff. Actually, a lie. I need the screwdriver and the flathead. Need that for this door. To work on this door. I would say, obviously, while you're doing this, you need to leave the door unlocked just in case. But I have the key. But just in case. All right, and voila, we're back inside. Usual working spot. And go ahead and take this door apart. You guys know I went through it a couple videos ago. One hand. A couple videos ago. Now we gotta take all these screws right here out. All these. And then the whole center portion will pop out. Remember, if it's your first time doing it, you will have to cut the plastic welds like that. You will have to cut those off. But again, the screws are enough to hold it down. The plastic welds are kind of like overkill. So if you're worried about, once I cut the plastic welds or whatever, will it not wobble, all that nonsense? No, it won't. As you can see, there's tons of screws in here. So we're gonna take all these screws out, take the center portion out, so we can fix the smaller portion, and then we'll adjust the door fabric right here up a little bit. Fix that little small gap, and we'll be done with this project. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with me unscrewing this. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart, and then we'll go back and re-staple everything. All right, we got it taken apart. As you guys can see, the staples came out. See, that's why it's sticking up like that, which is tacky. So we just need to simply put staples back in, pull this back down. I may cut this a little bit so it helps it come over. These staples back in this piece. You see how the other staples held up just fine. And then they'll be held down because we can't have it in the door like it is right there. And see it's sticking up like that because the staples was right here, or right here is gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and, again, I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details. I'm gonna go ahead and put my staple out. We staple this back down so we get this door back in looking good. And voila, just like that, it's all done. You see it's not popped up anymore. Again, we just simply use these staples just to hold it down. I went ahead and just reapplied some staples on the side. You see right here, just so I don't have to worry about this part backing out on me, anything like that. I'm not worried about this side because it's in the plastic. You want to try to get the staples in the plastic, kind of like you see the staple up front right here. If you look at it, it's going through the plastic right there. So you want to make sure you get it in plastic. That's why it came up. I just went ahead and put extra staples on. Remember, you're not going to see this corner when it's in the door because it's going to look like that when it's in the door. So you're not even going to see that shit. Don't even worry about it. The point is you want the effect of it. So there we go. That's held down. Now we're going to go back to this top piece. The only thing I need to do with this one basically is slide it up a little bit more to kill that gap. That's the easy portion. I'm going to go ahead and put this door back together. Guys don't really need to see that. Those are the screws, the staples. I'm gonna go and slide this up, like I said, just a little bit, slide it back a little bit, put it back in the door, and show you the finished product. Guys, there you go. Job is done. Fixed the tucking up there, and we fixed that. As you can see, that's held down. So, okay, pretty much like I showed you guys a second ago, it's just the staples came out, put more staples in, hold it down. Now it looks fresh and clean, and fixed that little nick that was up there because it was pushed down just a little bit. Just pulled it up. Taking the door apart, putting the door back together. I mean, it's not really a pain in the butt. I mean, honestly, it's just working with the fabric and then trying to get the position right, you know, type deal. But this is what it is. If I do it myself, then to pay somebody to do it, it's not really that hard. Once you do it once, you pretty much can do it as much as you want. So, okay, we're gonna go ahead and go back to the car. We're gonna toss this back into the car, and then bam, we'll check on the seat as well, because remember we did the seat earlier. Earlier today, we did the seat. Everything should be dried up by now, so we'll take a look at the seat. We'll put this door back in, and we'll see the overall look. Again, we're getting ready for, hopefully we can make hot import nights. Gonna take some more pictures of the interior. The last video you saw, we were taking the pictures. This wasn't fixed, so I was purposely avoiding that. But now we're gonna retake pictures. Obviously, we need a daylight, so because the color really pops, obviously, with the sun. But it's been raining and dingy here, so hopefully we get a day with the sun is out, so we can go back and retake these pictures. We can actually show you the color, the sparkling colors that I put together. You know, we need all that in the picture, so we can make sure we try to make the show. But all right, we'll throw this back in there, back in the car, and then check on the fabrics that we cleaned. All right, guys, here you guys go. I'm wrapping up this video. I'm actually about to leave to go shoot pictures, but here you go. Everything's fixed. We're gonna go to that side and see the thing clean the car. Because again, I'm about to go shoot. There you go. And there's, look, I'll get out the light. Look at that. All those spots and stains that we saw at the beginning of the video, all gone. That's all dried up. Looking good, looking good, looking good. All right, guys. So hopefully you guys pick up those products from Chemical Guys, the lightning fabric cleaner, as well as I actually cleaned the interior. I used the interior clean to clean up the interior, get all nice and shiny, as you can see, looking good. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please post them down below. Again, we're getting ready for the car show. I'm actually about to leave right now. We're gonna go ahead and begin the next video. About to go ahead and, like I said, I've been cleaning the car. Go ahead and shoot another video. I'm about to take some more pictures. I just need to get the rims cleaned up a little bit, clean up all that dirt off the rims, so that we can go and shoot some more pictures. Again, getting ready for hot import nights. Like I said, doors fixed, fabric's clean. Now we're looking good, looking real good. Click like and subscribe. See you guys next video. Peace. Alright guys, sorry about that. I forgot to shoot an outro. Basically, don't forget to click like and subscribe. We got hot import nights coming up. You be hint. I mean, you have to get accepted to the show. So the next thing that's coming up is going to be, we need to take professional pictures so I can submit pictures to see if I even qualify to even get into the show. So it's the next thing you guys are going to see. Us, my friend helping me out with this this awesome camera. Let's take some pretty as good as we can get professional pics, inside, outside, exterior, etc., and submit them to the committee to get reviewed to see even if I could even make hot import nights. Because again, you can have a nice looking car, you can have this, you can have that. The judges still have to judge you into the show, and you can not make the show. So that's why we're doing all this stuff. That's why we got the door panel fixed up, as you just saw. That's why we cleaned the seats up and everything. And like I said, coming up the next, because we got hot import nights coming up very, very soon. I mean, soon like it's in a couple days from now. So let's go take these professional shots, let's submit, and see if we can't make the show. Again, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I get a lot of questions of where I got products at. Again, comment down below. I'm trying to make this show so we can actually get our car in a national show, which would be awesome. That's the whole point of everything. So again, I'm on my way to work. I just forgot to shoot an outro for you guys. So again, click like and subscribe. Don't skip the ads. See you guys next video. Peace.